Hello, save engineers, and the like. Let's start our second class here by making a receiver in OptiSystem. Come on, Professor Fado Barros here with you. Initially, I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel, activate the notification bell like our channel, and also share our contents so that we can be creating more and more important video classes for you. Well, today we are going to try to continue, in fact, our classes that I am planning throughout this period that we are living through the pandemic. Let's go then. Today we are going to develop a signal reception system. We have here a basic model of a fiber optic communication system. This fiber optic communication system, we have the transmitter. We have here the medium, which in this case is the optical fiber. Some devices, passive or active optics, like filters, couplers, circulators, and ASC. We also have the amplifier, usually a communication system by optical fiber. An herbal dope fiber amplifier is used, which is also called EDIFA. It's a acronym. And at the end here of the system, the optical receiver. As promised, today we are going to make the system with the receiver for you in the previous class. In class 1, we built a transmitter. At the beginning of this class, I'm going to make the transmitter we made right away. If you haven't learned how to make a transmitter, I'll ask you to visualize class 1 again there and do class 2 here. Come on, you come here at transmitters. Let's create the transmitter first, the same one we created in class 1. Take the mat sender modulator. The sequence does not change the result of the construction. I'll do it quickly because I already did it in class 1, but with the past a bit sequence. Now it's missing what? The pulse format we used in the previous class, the return to 0. I will put the same here. I could use the non-return to 0 with a Gaussian. Let's go there in this format. We have 4 types here. The most usual is the photodetector pin with a photodetector at come on. Widely used as a reference book for several articles that have already been published in this area. I want to leave here my hug, and until the next class next week, we are going to insert here in the middle between the transmitter and the receiver an optical fiber. Bye bye. See you next class.
Ok? Tchau, tchau. Até a próxima aula.